let's take a look at our experiment here. As you recall, we put a bag of rainbow carrots with napkin and liquid, and we also did some yellow pear tomatoes with napkin and some liquid, the liquid being water. Check right there for the video. Go on, click it. Dare ya. We're going to look into these two to see how this experiment actually went. And from what I can see, they went very well for the yellow pears. I can already see the roots coming through that. And let's check the carrots out as well. These are the carrots. Let's open those up. As you can see, none of them germinated. Uh-oh, hold on. Looks like one has germinated, or is trying to. That guy right there. You see that? So maybe these should go a few more days, right? Before we write those off as non-germinatable. Because if these don't come up, that means that the whole bag is pretty much a waste, and I can kindly contact the person and demand my money back. So let's get these right back where they belong. As you can see, we already have one that is germinating. So let's go ahead and check these out. And there you go. These were very successful. So the pack of yellow pear tomatoes that I got, they seem to be perfect. They seem to be all germinating. They seem to be healthy. The roots are looking good. Everything looks good. So I'm going to put a few of these down in some dirt right now, okay? Bear with me. And I'm going to go ahead and just do one. So, say it with me. Pen, pencil, chopstick. Let's pick a lucky seedling. Well, it's not a seedling yet, but you know what I mean. It's like I'm holding the future in my hand, you know? Again, I can get deep with this, but this amazes me every single time. Let's give it plenty of love and well wishes. And we're going to put it root side down with the seed sticking out the top. And there it is. Looking gorgeous. Ready to start its brand new life. Hey, Shadow! Yeah. Just comes into my house, leaves the door open, and eat food that was meant for me. But what I have going on here is the cup that I put a drainage hole into, and another cup with no drainage holes. And we're going to take this right here and put it into our favorite window. Things seem to be doing alright over here, so that's where we're going to put it. Looks good. Thank you for watching. And did you learn something? I hope you did. And if you like this little series, go ahead and click right there to check out my The Art of Seed Starting playlist. It has a lot of good things over there with me starting seeds, along with these here and these and some other great things that I've done. And also, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, peace from the Garden of Feodora. Alright now, today is March 5th, and you're now rocking with the Father Feodora. But this here is that lovely yellow pear tomato that we put down, and just to let you know, it is doing fantastic. Along with these right here, these other yellow pear tomatoes, and those I put down there. What happened was, as you know, they were on a napkin and I couldn't quite pull them all apart. The reason I did it was just to simply show that they were germinatable. And they were. And so I have no problem going back and giving that guy some positive feedback for the seeds that he sold me. And I can confidently now plant the other seeds and get those going to put into the Garden of Feodora. But as you recall, there were also some carrot seeds. Let's check those out. I can already see it. See those lovely roots coming through there? These were a success as well. So the carrot seeds are germinatable, they're able to be germinated. The germination is able. So I'm going to go ahead and make a carrot bed and get those down because I feel extremely confident that they can grow. So let's just go ahead and call this a success, shall we? Good things are happening in the garden of Feodora. And I hope you stay with us on this ride through 2018. And please, consider subscribing. Or at least give us a thumbs up. And as always, blessings and peace from the Garden of Feodora. And don't forget, please subscribe or just hit the like button. It helps us out a lot. And as always, peace from the Garden of Feodora.